So to connect your laptop docking station from your desk, IHG uses the phones. So the middle one goes to the wall, that's the black, and the blue one goes to your computer. So as long as your phone is working, then you know the middle one is correct. So the other one goes right next to it, in the only socket that it'll fit in, and that goes to the computer, the back of the computer. On a docking station, it should look like this. So there's your cable, your network cable, you got activity, there's blinking lights, and your power cable should be right here with the light. And that's it.